Okay, now let's see what GL accounts do we have for default profit centers. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, profit center, assign default profit center to accounts. AA42 is our template company. Okay, what I'll do, I will Control Y, highlight all this, Control C, and I've pasted over here. Okay, I will go back. Accounting, financial accounting. This is front end. We are done with back end. General ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing, centrally chart of accounts, company code. I will explain this later. Okay, first centrally. Okay. Now first is 10101. This is cash. 101. Liquid funds, petty cash. Okay. Now this is where we create GL accounts. Now I will copy it from 101 of T55. Okay. Same thing. Save. Why I'm doing this, I'll tell you later. Okay. Next is 20,000 retained earnings account. Double click. Okay. T55 continue has already been created. Okay, fine. 30201 expense. Three zero two zero one. T55. Save. 60,000. Recon. 60,000. Double click. T55. Save. I'm just not going into settings right now because I have to do it a little bit faster. 6,200. Special GL. What is special GL? We'll check in the vendors section. Okay. Hello. 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 Okay. 80250. 8080 80250 zero balance account. Double click. Now what is zero balance? What is zero balance clearing account? This I will tell you later. But first let's complete our 80300 tax. Double click. Yes. T55. Continue. 80330 withholding tax. Double click. T55, continue. Okay, now this is done. Save this. SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, general ledger, master data, profit center, assign default profit center, company code, new entries. New entries will be the same. Save on request. T55. Okay. Now this is done because I wanted default profit centers for accounts. Okay. Now this is done. Let's go and check the first entry that we'll make in GL. And that will be a refresh tree of okay. The transaction is FP50 for GL accounts entries. I'll post the date here, document header text 500 30201 debit 500 star. Star means it will copy any amount that is available in previous cells like this. Okay, 500. This assignment is for reconciliation, this field. Text 500, this is for reference. Enter. Posting period 01 is not open. View details. Open and close posting periods. Posting period. Assign variants to company code. Let's see what variant do we have. 55 AA42. Okay. AA42. Continue. 1 2023 to 12 13 16 A B K M S 1 2 23 13 16. Okay, all to Z. It is working, but okay. Let's post it in another 0101.2023 3 posting period when 2023 not open. Open and close posting period. The same thing. Open and close posting periods. AA42. Posting period variant. A is for asset, D is for customer, K for vendor, M for material, S for GL. 1 2023 to 12 2023. Everything is open. Authorization group 1323 to 1623. Everything is open here. Let's change it. Copy. Define variants. New entries. T55. Save. Save. Sign to company code. T55. T55. Save. Okay. Open, close, posting period. T55. New entries. Plus A, D, A, M, S. You don't enter an account number for mask type. Oh, okay, 2023. Okay, plus A, D, K, M, S, control Y. Enter. Save. Okay, this is saved now. So what this is, for every submodule we have opened posting periods from January 2023 to 12 December 2023, 1323. This is special periods for adjustments. Adjustments in every module. What are adjustments? I'll tell later. Now, range of top accounts. All this is empty means all. This is from empty to last series in Z for all the submodules. So plus is all accounts. A is asset, D for customers, K is for vendors, M for material, S for GLs. Okay, next. Enter. Okay, it says it's not open. FD50. Let me copy, copy 500 0201 201 10101 debit credit 500 star. Posting period 01/2023 not open. Okay. SPRO. Financial accounting. Global setting. Ledger. Fiscal year. Company code to fiscal year. Okay. T55 K4 calendar year, 4 special periods. Then what is the problem? Everything is open, but anyways, let's do it in the next class.